How to check your lights and change a light bulb. Legally, all your car's exterior lights must be operational. That's everything from the headlights to the indicators, and even the number plate bulb. Here's our guide on how to check your lights and change a headlight bulb if needed. Please remember this is a guide, and your car might have different fixtures or fittings to the one in the video. It's easiest to check them if you have someone to give you a hand. Have someone stood outside the car ready to signal to you if the light is working correctly. Turn the ignition to first position and check each of your car lights. The lights you need to check are side lights, dipped beams, main beams, fog lights, front indicators left and right, brake lights, reversing lights, rear indicators left and right, hazard lights. You can change some lights yourself. Here's the steps you can take to change your headlight bulb. You should wear gloves while you do this. If oil from your skin gets on the new bulb, it could burn out as soon as you turn it on. Step 1. Get the right replacement bulbs. If you're not sure which ones you need, check your owner's manual. Step 2. Open your bonnet to find the right headlight and remove its cover. Step 3. There should be an attachment with 2 wires attached to your bulb. Disconnect the bulb. Depending on your car, there might be a catch, clip, or a cap to release it. Step 4. Get the new bulb and secure it into place with the same locking mechanism you just undid. Step 5. Close the bonnet and check the new light is working correctly. Admiral isn't responsible for any damage or loss caused as a result of the advice in this video.